Dubai, you know, man, as only born with some sensitive talk or a bit like this. It's like a cool way down. Because I'm can well hell away can I join your and subscribe on the channel. I never make a video as I'm called the Lord. I say women I came before how many days now? I know more. And how many days now? No more because I'm going to be enough chance, maybe 10 chance of more corner. And by the grace of God, next week I have a I will look at Ishi and say no, I really bring sensitive topic in Chokuno. Then you know, but think at Makana. You could book one for the name I like Igbo or Mali Tebezoko. Because that's the person and can all show. For the name I like Igbo, why is it man Chokuno video because you know, party and subscribe. Can I win notification because you also look at you now for quite share the video. Go away, no, Mbani and Tibiko Kabaro. And the video no I went goes on the buy.
Daddy, good morning, sir. Welcome, sir. You want to know now? You want
if you work out here, it will not keep on you walk. Genti, if you topic here in a cookita, even Jibata, but this is a topic I have refused to talk about. I have refused to discuss it. And you are saying this whole thing the way it is. You are saying the whole thing the way it is. I'm a traveler. By the grace of God, I got 19 countries. Actually, because when came the Kupa on a measure effect in the side. But most of these touts, name Potua, Jugoriviana Luna Budoibo. Juandiano Germany, Iana Lona Germany. Mandiana Pascrap, Jugoriana. Slavery, impossible. That's the point I want to make now. If you slave trade, slavery, impossible. Mbambu Kandiocha, na Bieba, Golu Munani, Obodo Ibo, a Bobble for Dibo. Manaki Kandiocha, Dabiazi, Golani. Now you want an election in Nai, where flight. But a visa bar flight, where you couldn't do a qualify the same audible. And though such a person in Ghana, Eba Nasi, most of them, not all of them, now based on this certificate, but the truth about the matter is that most of them, Mandisi, Ndi Juku, where by Obodo Igbo, Ndisi desert, where by Obodo Igbo, Panchana, Asineri, only one. Ndotali line fine, and only have Ndotali line the Ayaruma. And I come one, I like Ijob the farm bump every year, not travel out. Because already line the Ayaruma. You want to complain and Ndotali line, Guinea cannot in Obodo Fame. You are complaining Nandi Ochali Nani, Kedi on a beheme, Guinea Canalo in a Safele, na hotel. Anyway, can you report all over the Nalo, Afa? But they should stop. Hana Paniquai, Mama Ijiha, Kaibo, we had Mantin can ever why you. Mantin can never help you. Or how I cook. Iju Wabigo, come calling on your broadcast.
Continue, unless you're busy.
But just the in a woman. When I told me apply caution because oh my God, and when people outside the and you know that, but in the outside, we can for belly.
Okay.
So can you read your side? But na asi na ndị ọcha ile anyị na tabasị you cannot be in Europe and you are telling somebody like me, let's go back to our roots. Why they cannot Europe? Root to God in Europe. Root to Ben Nagim Pologugi ordinary Europe. You want us to go back to our roots? Yes, you are still in Europe. Ewu talakonu chegi. Najisike oh. If you
Thank you, sir. You're welcome, sir. Bye, sir. Yeah, onye bata na kana bata my sister. Okay. Onye bata na this program our big daddy. But this program also but okay, okwu no ụka. Chọrọ ịbata. Let me accept him. Amaghị chọrọ ikwu. So, biko nu, ihe ji maka ya bịa n'ụbọchị keta awụ onye biri ibia biri. Onye biri ibia ebiri. Mathias Ezeaku abatago, and the glory be to God. He is welcome. We are happy that na abatago. All we are saying is that be caution. You know, nwere limit. Freedom of speech. Now freedom of speech does not mean na mkpali isonia. Iota. Mkpali is on a freedom of speech. So because ende ku sanu zina, sese zina. Onye ga-egbu ọgụ bụ argument. Ọ bụ na ị ga-egbu ọgụ, bido kita bụ argument. That's very important. Ịchọrọ igbu ọgụ a ga-anọ. Bido kita bụ argument, bụ the argument before making okay, can about somebody he came and you okay. So onye chọrọ igbu ọgụ bụ argument, igbu argument ọgụ ya ha bịa. Mana ihe bụ argument, from argument ka esi anụ ọgụ. Or from argument, yes, I know. So good morning, Tata. How are you? Good morning, yeah, Tata. How are you? So Mathias Ezeaku is back. Everyone in the ka or rebata or corner eba. Mano can put your things in order. Namari police who kudochia. Oh, my the right thing because all of the right thing. When did I send the mother? You want idea? Onye kpọrọ police fog n'anya. Onye kpọrọ police. Ọ nwanne gị ka ọ fog n'anya. What of ndị na-ese kwere mmadụ je gbagbo onye ahụ gbagbo nkọ. Ma ndị na-ese mmadụ je onye a poison. What of ma afọ n'ụzọ were moto jam ọgụ. What of ndị agba ide ekwu maka ndị a. Mana onye ga-akpọrọ gị police. Ọ fog n'anya ọ ka gịnị ka ikpesa ihe na-ese ka ya ma kpesa ihe na-ese ka ndị ọkachamara tinye ya ọnụ. Ka ndị ọkachamara tinye ya ọnụ ọha ji akpọ police. Mgbọrọgụ police na reason ji kpọrọ police because we don't want to agree. We don't want to agree. And with disagreement between me and you. Na asị gị na pestia efo pestia na pestia na ọ na nke ka m goro pestia na receipt ị nyere m ọ bụ receipt pestia adịghị mma ọ mee na expire ka ihe a ga-eme ya. Esim na ọwụwa na nke ka m go pestia nna sịrị m na ọgụ nye m receipt na receipt ebe a ị na-edeny na ọwụwa na nje forge ya receipt. Ịghọta mmiri mkpọ mmadụ one na one ha agwaghị okwu esi na ya eme ya. I have to call police ka ndị ọkachamara tinye ya ọnụ. Police kwugwe ọgwụ ha ekwu ha akpọ ndị lawyer etinye ya ọnụ. Ọ bụrụ ihe ọjọọ ka ọ bụ unu after na-asị ihe ọjọọ. Ọ bụrụ ije kpọrọ nwanne gị ụmụnna ọ nọ na village ka ị nọ gị na nwanne gị nwee problem ị kọntaktị ụmụnna ndị ụmụnna kpọọ ya oku ọ polisi ka ị kpọrọ ya ọ dị same thing. Ị kpọrọ ya ndị youth ka etinye ya ọnụ polisi ka ị kpọrọ ya. Ị kpọrọ ya ndị ewere iwe my sister. Ị kpọrọ ya ndị ụmụ ọkpụ polisi ka ị kpọ. Ị kpọrọ ya ndị nwunye di polisi ka ị kpọ. Ị kpọrọ ya ndị street na-enwe polisi chairman ya na-ekwe ya na-eme ọkụ polisi a ka ị kpọ. Ha chọrọ ime polisi ọ bụrụ ihe ọjọọ ka ọ bụ ọ ga ikpesa ihe na-ese ekpesa m ihe na-ese ndị ọkachamara eti ya ọnụ edozie onye na begene amara bandri na akwa bia obro ga akpọcha police eburu iwe n'obi chọwa another way esigbu onye ahụ ka nnabata nwanne m nwaanyị nna you're welcome good morning Disagreements
kwa na ijuwa
ọgwụ iju ụwa
good morning good morning ọ dị mma ka ị ka ndị be gị dị
dị mma ka m mma
okay ịma na eziokwu na-agba agba guys all Desi's Empire na-ekwu unu ma that woman some of you not like her voice ya na-agwa unu sọsọ nke wee eziokwu I don't look at people's faces to talk.
You must follow her. It's a must. You must follow her. Whether you be
you must follow me because he had to give them one day. Nke like it, back. That is it. Some of them will come and tell me, okay, this one you said I like it. Now let me follow you back. That is the way. And you must not like me all the time. When I like him all the time, that means I'm not doing well. Okay. Yeah. I'm happy now. One night, okay, Mathias Ezeaku is back. Okay, most of us, Igotago, Kuroku that are happy.
Chichi, France, send their request. You continue.
Okay. So, but the issue is this: only we're lover of Mathias. You had the opportunity to go to the police station. One on email. Okay, can be done from before got police. Only like him Mathias name, but you never condemned him for one day. It's why you washi na condemn munasia na ineku too much before bani me. Una na apia was na ya like here. Some of you see now because Namunia mere NGO and we fell out. That is why I'm bullying him. Msunu don't worry, rule of law. If you never corrected him as a friend before he had Messia na assassination of character and defamation of character or cyberbullying, don't pretend to be a friend. Then open friend the obazeni me in outside name engineer war saga post guinea content guinea is all about tiho we go do this, we go do that, and then what on your phone in Abuja. You couldn't spend a day or 2 days of your time ga Abuja. Say okay, Kamarugo di heneme, Kamara Mwebenge, your tres or Mathias, lawyer Mathias, tres or lawyer Akubik, J. Because on Igbo. You need to be ashamed of yourself and close your mouth. Okay? Actually, the live video is to tell Ndi Igbo na Kahamara na Igbo, no matter what happens on social media. Social media live, if for content creating and real life are the two different things. Na social media na-eme ana-akụrụ followers are not saying right on boss, right on, you're doing well. But here when problem, you will not see them anywhere around you. Use Mathias's case, with the kind of popularity or population of followers Mathias support on. Okay, if none of these people could spare their time to go to Abuja, if you don't think in Abuja couldn't go to police station, here on social media and they post it will not cost them anything than to pick boats from their house to that force headquarters. Manahe Meria, they were on Facebook giving you people false hope, fake promises. Spirit as if the hand were a connection. My dear, be careful what you do on your platform. Be careful what you do on your cyberspace. Makane were crime. Of in we can me na ala free. Onye ozo we can me na ala free. Ime oburugu wa wonya get it as show example. Do you understand? Mathias Ezeaku is out, but I know he has learned his lesson. Okay? My own prayer and desire all this while back to his wife. I'm a married woman, very happily married. So I'm not this while on with Munye, being a young mother, a very young lady, pretty lady. Every dog and a benaqua, organe a check a ganota, with whom as I was area. So my own desire all this while, but I take care of his home as the head of his home. And thank God is back. On a okukita, because if you bully people, you will get arrested. And if you get arrested, you go and defend all those things you're tagging people on social media. And so I want evidence against you. Okay? If I'm talking rubbish, go on get rubbish. You are more stupid than rubbish. Do you understand nonsense? It means need the more useless than a responsible person does not listen to ever rubbish. Okay? Because I did not come to your platform, and you will never see me in your platform. If you get nonsense, you know, chooks so careful. Oh no, cyber social media warriors, social media noise makers. Na comment section can na phone na social media making irrelevant posts. Na comment na dos Ndi Igbo. When it comes to reality, when reality happens, una mama weba ga phone, una nọrọ na social media na ezuzugeri. Flight from here to Abuja. Zeus abandoned whatever he was doing for complete 2 to 3 days because now no way responsible Igbo man. As we speak today, Zeus is a voice in Igbo land. Zeus is a voice of peace. That guy wanted so many wisdom. Zeus Agaho school, but I will never call Zeus an illiterate because Zeus be a graduate.
Sorry.